How to disable two-factor authentication on Gate. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to disable the two-factor authentication on the Gate.io app, then here's how you do it. Launch open the Gate.io or the Gate application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. On the next page, tap on your username at the top, and then you will see this page where you need to tap on Security. Under Security, scroll down and tap on Two-Factor Authentication and click Continue. You need to go ahead and get to your Authenticator app, copy the Gate.io code and paste it in. Now click Confirm and you have successfully verified your Google Authenticator as well, and now you'll be able to turn off the two-factor authentication, which is preferably Google Authentication in my case. So whichever authentication you have bounded to the account will be disabled by following these steps. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.